Hey students, today I'm going to show you a handy way that you can learn even more about the VI editor. And it's through a tool called vimtutor. So let's get to the command line and see what I'm talking about. One of the first things that you'll want to do is make sure that your system is up to date. So that is by using the sudo space apt-get and update, and then hit the enter key. And any packages that are new in the repository that aren't yet on your local system will be fetched and brought down. Next, you'll want to use the account elevation or sudo with the package management command apt-get and install something called vim-gtk. This will again pull some things down from the repository. I've already done this, so my command will go a lot quicker than what you'll see. If you get a message about needing to answer yes or no when adding the extra files, you will need to answer yes to that. And then you will use account elevation one more time with apt-get install and vim-runtime. Again, your action will take a little bit longer than mine because I did not have to have anything newly installed at this moment. Once you do those two things, you have access to vimtutor, which is just vimtutor. It is self-explanatory at this point. You just read and follow the instructions. You're told that Vim, or which is an enhanced version of VI, is a very powerful editor that has many commands, and you are walked through using many of the features of the Vim or VI editor. The little tutorial can be completed in about half an hour, and it just carries you right along. Make sure that your shift lock or caps lock key is not pressed, because remember, Linux is very sensitive about capitalization and lowercase. They are distinct from one another. So you want to make sure that you are using lowercase when you are instructed to do so. At this point, we are asked to press the J key enough times to move the cursor so that lesson 1.1 fills the screen. And you can see that the J key is sort of a synonym for a downward arrow. And as we continue to hit that J key, we have lesson 1.1 on our screen. At this point, we're going to learn about the H, L, K, and J keys and how they are analogs for the upward arrow, downward arrow, and left and right. So follow along, do the actions that are instructed, and you will feel so much more comfortable with the VI editor when you are done. Have a great day.